Hi guys, in this video we're going to see XLOOKUP multi-condition scenario. We have two conditions and we have three conditions. First, we will begin with two conditions, XLOOKUP, and then we're going to add one. It means if all the scenarios are true, then only it will give me the result. Now I'll open and close the parenthesis. I'm going to select the search range and I'm going to look for apple and then comma. What I'm looking for here is the sizes of the apples, right? Sorry, and logic, and then equals to, it should be large. Okay, now I'm going to add the result range, right? So if I close the parenthesis, it is not going to work. Already you saw a line below it, because for multi conditions we need to add one more formula here, which is array formula. Now if you go and close the formula, it will give you the result, which is 60. So I'm looking for apple and then large, which is the value is 60. Now I'm going to use three conditions. So I'm going to copy the same formula so that the time will be saved. So I'm going to add the AND logic, and I'm going to add one more condition here, which is if this year is, so let's assume 2015. So give me the result for 2015, okay? So I'm saying apple, and then it should be from 2015, and it should be large in size. Then what is the value? So it is again 60. Now let's change it to 70. The value would be 50. So many times you required to add multiple conditions. So this is the best way to use AND logic and then use this formula for 2, 3 or multiple conditions. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.